a truck. It's a day cab. So I got a job with a company called Kentucky Western out of Hopkinsville, Kentucky. And we're running chassis over to Bowling Green. And so I don't know if I can get you guys out there to see. I'm not used to this truck. Just got in it yesterday. It's kind of crazy. Let's see if I can get you out of there. Okay. See them chassis in the back there? There you go. I think you can see them. Yeah, that's what I'm running. So they pay $125 a run. So you can on average run 2, possibly 3 in a day. So it takes 4 hours to make a run, 4.5, something like that. So you figure two of them is $250. You can get that third one in. That'd be $375. So it'd either be $1,200 a week or $14 or something like that. You could make if you could work from before sun up until 9, 10 o'clock at night every day. Yeah, you could run a lot of them. But if I can average 2 a day, I'll be fine. I'm trying to break my neck or anything. So I'm just, they know all about the business, Big Belly Beaver, and they know the troubles. In fact, I was on the job with the skid steer when I was offered this job. So he said, well, if you ever get, some slow times, you can come over and drive for us. So, well, that finally panned out, and so I'm over here, and I'm having troubles with Facebook. They're still trying to charge me. They're not trying to charge me, I can't remember what it was, an astronomical number anymore. So they want me to pay $465, $495. Y'all seen it on the video of the day. And then I haven't got my credit card printout for what I owe. So, I mean, I guess I can get online and look at it, but I haven't done that. Can't remember my passcode. So, but it says on the Meta Business Suite that they've been paid a couple of $1,000s, it looks like. And I hope not. But regardless, Meta, Facebook has it all screwed up. So my advertisement, I haven't been able to get any jobs for the forestry mulcher. Since I have some experience now and I kind of know what I'm doing, I brought my rate up from 85 to 125, which most of the people aren't happy with me running that rate because they're running 250. So, but I don't know what to worry about. I can't even get a job. Anyway. So yeah, and that's $1,000 a day. Versus what I'd make here a week. So maybe this weekend I'll work on Meta again. They had us restricted for a while. You couldn't do anything. So at least we're not restricted anymore. Maybe I can get through to them because where you go to pay for it, you can go make a review. Well, I've tried that like a dozen times and it won't go through. And I don't know if that's because it was restricted or what. But anyway, so I haven't been getting any work with the skid steer, so I got to bring money in to pay the bills, ladies and gentlemen. And so Fred was kind enough to offer me this job, and so I decided I would take it and run it until I get the skid steer. And plus, I need a trailer. There's a guy named Brian in our town that been letting me use his trailer. It needs tires, though. They're all dry rotted, and but I need my own trailer. If I'm going to run a business, I need to have my own trailer, do my own setup, And so I have the 2 bikes up, and that's another thing, the ad for work and the 2 bikes aren't getting out while Facebook is blocking me because they're trying to get money out of me. So anyway, I got to get that worked out with Facebook. I know there's other ways to add to Craigslist, and WhatsApp belongs to Facebook, so they'd still be like, hey, pay us $500 and well, let's do it. Yeah, right. So anyway, so when I get that worked out, ladies and gentlemen, I'll get back into the skid steer. Or, I can do jobs. This job isn't where I have to stay with it all the time. I mean, when they hired me, when they offered me the job, they knew that I was working with the skid steer, so I got freedom to come and go. So, but it is good to be able to make some money to put in the bank to pay some bills, so we're not starving and stuff. So yeah, running from Hopkinsville to Bowling Green, a minimum of 2. I ran 1 run yesterday. I'll do 2 today. So if I load up 1 tonight, they require you, if it's on a flatbed, if it's on a Conestoga, you can keep it in the yard over the weekend. But if it's on a flatbed, you'll have to deliver it the following morning. So I don't know, or I could get a 3rd one and I don't know. So I'll just probably do the 2 today and go to the house, call it a week, and enjoy the weekend, enjoy my family. You guys, hopefully you can do the same and have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful weekend. God bless, and later.